So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to back up your Samsung Galaxy Watch. And for this tutorial, I'm using the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. So for this one, the easiest way to do this is to have your phone nearby, okay? The phone that's paired to this watch. And it's very simple. Simply go to the Galaxy Wearable app. And on the Galaxy Wearable app, scroll down to Watch Settings. Tap on that. Under Watch Settings, go to Accounts and Backup. Tap on that. And then under Backup, you can see it's not backed up because we don't have a switch app. Okay, so if you tap on that, it's going to tell us download Smart Switch to start backing up your watch. Okay, so let's go ahead and install Smart Switch first. Okay, so just tap on that and allow that app to get installed. Once Smart Switch finishes installing, it's going to launch, and then you can tap on continue. And this is only for people who have not installed Smart Switch. Okay, then let's go ahead and allow. And now it's going to transfer Galaxy the Smart Switch to the watch. Okay, so Smart Switch on watch uses these permissions. Okay, so you're going to allow all those permissions. And once you do that, you can now go back. And now, as you can see, that error has disappeared. Okay, so we want our backup to be saved to the Samsung cloud, which means you have to be signed in with your Samsung account, because by default, it's going to save in your Google account. Okay, so if you also want a copy on your Samsung cloud, you can enable that as well. Okay, now it basically means once you've done that, as long as your watch is connected to your phone and you have the correct amount of battery on your watch, or your watch is charging, it's going to back up periodically. So there's really no way of backing up manually. All you have to do is set up the backup, and then the watch will back up at the convenient time. Okay, and that's the only way to back up your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.